I actually did a speech on microwaves in elementary school.
Yes.
Yeah, for real. I did a speech on microwaves and I did a speech on sporks.
Can you bring those
Spoon
back?
fork.
This video is about a guy who put his head and cemented it into microwave.
What? Oh my lord.
That sounds horrible.
Why?
Sounds like a bad idea all around.
Oh my goodness.
Nearly died.
Nearly died. He didn't die though.
Spoiler alert, he's alive.
He posted this video, so we know it's Gucci.
We know he's good.
But
why?
I think it sounds pretty dumb, but also I'm really interested to see what happens.
That is so thick.
so thick.
No.
We've got a dead trim and a loop tomorrow. Look at the lineup. Look at the fighting. We're going to insert the oxygen tube.
Wow, they are covering all the bases.
It's time to go in.
It's time to go in.
Yourself, like, please don't try this.
Oh my gosh.
Why?
Is he gonna like wait and let it dry too?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Are you okay? Guys, as you can see, Jay's in there. I don't know how long, guys. Jay's
Is this for views? Is this what people do on YouTube these days for the views?
Guys, I think I've got to take a trip to Asda and get a hairdryer so that this can be solidified faster. Jay's not in
Jeez.
this position.
So like terrible
The blood might
friends,
rush to his head.
we just help
He
you
might feel some
get
type
your
of
head
way.
cemented to a microwave.
Conscience of my friend getting mashed down. Be right back.
Mashed
I'm gonna get a hairdryer.
Dude,
That is my life.
I can't even blink.
Oh my gosh. That's
Yo, guys,
horrible.
I'm back from Asda. I've got the hairdryer.
These guys are fools.
Oh my, bro, that's solid. That is solid. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I love the accent.
She like makes me claustrophobic just looking at it.
He did it.
No flippin' way.
Bro.
Why?
So
Why?
mad, bro.
That's so mad. The air tube got blocked.
What's up?
What's nice, suffocating? This is why you don't do this kind of shit.
I took my last breath that I physically could. That being because the front of my face was covered with like bricks and like solid plaster. I
My
literally
worst
took my
fear.
last breath and waited for a mellow
I want to feel bad for him, but why would he do that in the first place?
So at this point, Ramel and Brandon didn't actually realise that the microwave was stuck to my head, which was making this situation 10 times harder for me. I was panicking and I was telling them, I'm about to die, I'm about to die, and this wasn't a joke. Well, that's kind of hard to translate to your friends that you're about to die, and you exaggerate as much as I do to a point when I graze my knee, I tell them I'm about to die.
No, you're not, man.
Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
This is making me nervous. What?
I feel like he is an idiot.
Why? Why?
Well,
That's scary because this scares me. Like when people do plaster molds of things on their face or anything, I don't trust it. So that was freaky.
what did he want to accomplish? I cemented my head in a microwave and emergency services came. What was the goal?
I don't see how there could be any other way that was gonna end.
Yeah, there was no purpose. It was literally, I'm gonna almost kill myself and then make a YouTube video about it.
Imagine someone has got to tell like his parents like, oh, I'm sorry, your son died because he cemented his head into a microwave. Like, I would never wanted my parents to get that message. So, think about the fastest way to get that microwave off of his head.
I panic in a crisis. So I would be freaking out because, I mean, the idea would scare me, and then if something went wrong, I would not be cool.
I would not let my friends do this at all, ever. If my friend was like, hey, so Saturday afternoon, I'm thinking,
Cement my head in a microwave.
what do you think? It's just like hard no, like, how about some brunch instead?
Yeah.
I don't know. I've definitely had some friends who like doing stupid shit, and I always usually try to talk them out of it, and it never works. So you just have to go along with it, and hopefully they don't die in the end.
But did they get a lot of views?
4 million views in 4 days.
That's setting such a bad precedent for kids. Guys, I don't like this. YouTube
I don't like
is broken.
it. Yeah.
Well, listen to him when he says, "Don't try this at home."
Don't cement your head in a microwave ever. Or in anything. How about let's just keep cement away from our faces? How about that?
I just want to say, don't try this. Don't do this.
Don't. It's not a good idea.
There's so many better things that you could do than cementing your head and putting it in a microwave.
Yeah.
Let's come up with a list of 3 things that you could put
Okay.
in a microwave that are better.
Microwave pizza.
Beautiful. Microwave some popcorn.
Popcorn, solid choice.
Something with cheese.
Ooh, you can make nachos.
Make some nachos, guys.
Yeah.
Put that in the
They
microwave.
can be shitty nachos with just bad microwave cheese.
Don't put
Just
your
stick-
head in the microwave.
Put a block of Velveeta in the microwave.
Okay, if you like this video or don't like this video,
You can like, comment, subscribe,
just do something. Give us some engagement.
give us some love.
Come back next week, see
Yeah.
more of us.
We'll see
And-
you again.
Hey.
Hey.